Hello friends, in this video, we intend to deposit into an account using ERC20 Tether at the IG Markets broker. Once we enter the trading cabin, in this broker, we select the deposit option and choose the crypto method, then we enter the desired amount in this section. Please note that the minimum amount you can deposit is $30. And we select the desired cryptocurrency, Ethereum ERC20, and click on the deposit option. A page will open for you that shows a QR code that you can scan with your wallet camera. Please note that this QR code is for one-time use only, and you will not be able to use it in future deposits. After a few minutes, as you can see, after completing the items related to your Poloniex wallet, fill it with a 6-digit number. We will see that your deposit has been successfully made, and in the next few minutes, it will be transferred from your Poloniex wallet to your trading account in HF Market. After a few minutes, we will see that your deposit, ABAT, will be transferred to your trading account in HF Market. The amount was transferred from your wallet to the trading booth at HF Markets broker. And you can see this from the My Wallet section, Wallet Actions section, Wallet Finance option, that the amount of $30 has been transferred to your account on this date and at this time. In future videos, we will go through how to withdraw from the account of various stimuli step by step. Wishing you success and profitability.